Everyone thinks the best-selling dual basket air fryer is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story's actually quite different.
Product number 1, Ninja DZ201 Foodie. First up is the Ninja DZ201 Foodie, a powerhouse 8-quart dual basket air fryer. What caught my eye was its ability to cook 2 different foods at once, making it perfect for busy families. With a price that's usually competitive, if you want to streamline your meal prep, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Ninja features dual zone technology, meaning you can use the Smart Finish option to time 2 dishes just right so they finish cooking together. You can air fry, roast, or even dehydrate with its 6-in-1 functionality, and it's pretty easy to clean afterwards. Plus, it has separate heating zones, so you can cook chicken wings and fries simultaneously without mixing flavors. And with over 3,000 units sold in the past month, it's clearly popular. Now, some people complained about the size being a bit bulky for small kitchens. Here's the thing though, if you have a family to feed, that larger capacity can really save you time and hassle in the long run. This is perfect for you if you're cooking for a family of 4 or more. Skip this one if your kitchen space is super limited. But if you prioritize quick meals, it's a solid investment.
Product number 2, Merton 12.6 QT Air Fryer. Next, we have the Merton 12.6 QT Family Size Air Fryer. With room for 10 to 12 people and a price around $99.99, this one is a real contender. If you want to serve up generous portions without spending ages in the kitchen, this one is worth a serious look. What's impressive here is its double-stack design that lets you cook 2 different dishes at once. Each basket can hold a whole 6-pound chicken, which means no more waiting for your sides to finish cooking while the main dish is still in the fryer. The sync finish technology ensures everything is ready at the same time, which is a huge win for family dinners. It's sold over 1,000 times recently, which speaks volumes about its popularity. Now, some users noted that it can take a bit longer to preheat compared to others, but honestly, once you factor in the time saved by cooking everything together, that's a minor trade-off for the efficiency this fryer brings. This is perfect for you if you often cook for large gatherings or have a big family. Skip this one if you usually only prepare meals for 2, as that capacity might be overkill.
Product number 3, Ninja DZ550 Foodie. Coming in hot is the Ninja DZ550 Foodie, a 10-quart dual basket air fryer with a price tag around $169.99. If you want to achieve perfect doneness in your meals, this is worth a serious look. What makes this model stand out is the Smart Cook system that includes a thermometer. It takes the guesswork out of cooking meats, ensuring you always get the right level of doneness. The 6-in-1 functionality includes air frying, broiling, and roasting. So this is more than just an air fryer. It's a multi-cooker. With over 1,000 units sold, people are clearly loving it. However, some users have reported that the controls can be a bit complicated at first. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, you'll appreciate how customizable your cooking can be, which is a huge plus for those who love experimenting in the kitchen. This is perfect for you if you want versatility in your cooking appliances. Skip this one if you prefer straightforward devices without the bells and whistles.
Product number 4, Chefman Dual Basket Air Fryer, priced at about $69.99. It's a fantastic entry-level option if you're looking for an affordable way to make meal prep easier. If you want to keep things simple without sacrificing quality, this is worth a serious look. What's great about this fryer is the sync finish feature, which means both baskets can finish cooking at the same time. It has a wide temperature range up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which is perfect for a variety of foods and cooking styles. Plus, the removable baskets are dishwasher safe for quick cleanups and essential for busy families. It's been bought over 1,000 times recently, so it's clearly resonating with users. However, some buyers have mentioned that it's not the most powerful option on the market. But honestly, for everyday family meals, it gets the job done without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you want to try out air frying without a huge investment. Skip this one if you need something super high-powered for serious cooking.
Product number 5, Ninja DZ401 Foodie. Finally, we have the Ninja DZ401 Foodie,
another 10-quart model priced at around $179.99. If you want something that cooks quickly and efficiently for large family meals, this is worth a serious look. The Match Cook feature allows you to set both baskets with the same settings, maximizing your cooking output. This means you can whip up a complete meal in no time. It's capable of cooking 2 whole chickens 30% faster than a traditional oven, which is a game changer for busy weeknights. With 1,000+ sales recently, it's definitely a favorite. Now, some users pointed out that it can be a bit noisy during operation. But here's the thing, the speed and efficiency it offers far outweighs the noise, especially when you think about how much time it saves. This is perfect for you if you often entertain guests or have a large family. Skip this one if you're looking for a quieter appliance.
To wrap it up, each of these dual basket air fryers has something unique to offer. The Ninja DZ201 is great for those who want larger meals, while the Mertan excels in family-sized portions. The Ninja DZ550 is perfect for precision cooking, and the Chefman is budget-friendly without sacrificing quality. Lastly, the Ninja DZ401 is all about speed and efficiency. Choose one that fits your family's needs best.